Here are two identical bags. One is full of chocolate, and the other one is full of gold. Which bag do you think will be heavier to carry back home? The one with chocolate or gold? Well, a bag of gold will certainly be more rewarding, but it will probably be physically impossible to carry, even for a bodybuilder. Why? Because the density of gold particles is so much higher than the density of milk or chocolate. Another example of density can be seen in the way oil floats on water, but balsamic vinegar sinks in oil. One substance is denser than another, causing the heavier liquid to sink and the lighter one to rise to the top. Generally speaking, solids are denser than liquids, and liquids are denser than gases, but this is not always the case, as there are many exceptions to the rules. The density of an object can even be affected by temperature and pressure, as this changes the way the atoms and molecules bond to each other. With so many things to account for, you might be wondering how you're supposed to figure all this out. Turns out, Archimedes, a Greek mathematician, was wondering the exact same thing. He defined the properties of density and invented a handy formula so that you and I could figure out density anytime we want. Due to density's origin, it's common to see it written as the Greek letter rho. Over 2,000 years ago, Archimedes showed us that when we're talking about density, we're really referring to something's mass, how much material is present, and its volume, how much space it occupies. Even though you can change the amount of substance to alter its mass and volume, the density of the material stays the same because it's a physical property of the substance. So, if you divide something's mass by its volume, you get its density. Because of the special relationship between density, mass, and volume, you can always use this triangle if you need to find a missing variable. Or, if you want to make things easier, just hop over to okcalculator.com. Our density calculator lets users solve problems for any of the three variables with one simple click. Thanks for watching. Please take care to subscribe and share. Unified knowledge is power.